An almost forgotten Central European tradition is the consumption of a mush made from dried fruit during the 12 nights after Christmas, at New Year or on Epiphany. Boil dried apples, pears, plums, apricots or other fruits in water or wine and press them through a sieve. One fruit kernel or another token is then stirred back into the puree. It is used to choose a person as king for a day, or, I have been told, as a marriage oracle to predict one's future spouse. A similar recipe, the main difference being the addition of soaked bread at the end of the cooking process, can also be found in the recipe book Das Buch von guter Spise from the early 14th century.